Binance Earn. Binance launched a new page, Binance Earn, where you can see all your earning possibilities open for you and the crypto funds you hold. By using Binance Earn, a one-stop service, you may find alternative crypto growing options if you are a hodler. Binance Earn has the following products: flexible, fixed terms, launch pool, and asset management. And Binance will launch more high-quality products in the future. Flexible savings. With flexible savings, you can deposit your cryptos and gain interest from your dormant funds on a daily basis. It's similar to the bank's demand deposit. You can always redeem the assets when you need to use them for another purpose. Fixed terms. Fixed savings. Unlike flexible savings, Binance Fixed Savings needs to deposit assets for a fixed period on a regular basis, and you can get higher returns than flexible savings. Please note that if you withdraw in advance, you will also lose your interests. Activities. Activities refer to the high-yield staking activities jointly organized by various project parties and Binance. Users are required to lock the corresponding assets on the platform to obtain higher returns. Subscriptions will be closed once they reach the maximum limit. Please follow the Binance announcement for detail. Locked staking. Locked staking allows you to earn rewards by staking assets on the blockchain, and you can redeem the assets after the subscription is successful. But it should be noted that the redemption of assets on the chain requires a certain unlocking period. The unlock time is different based on different products. DeFi staking. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It provides users with decentralized financial services through smart contracts on a blockchain. Binance introduced DeFi staking to help proxy users to participate in related decentralized projects. This allows users to access DeFi in a user-friendly and straightforward manner. You can earn the highest returns without the need to manage private keys, acquire resources, make trades, or perform other complicated tasks. The above products all need to be locked for a fixed period. If you need to withdraw your assets in advance during the locked period, you may lose your corresponding rewards. Please read the product rules for specific details. Launch pool. Stake your assets to farm newly launched tokens. When users stake their crypto assets in the DeFi projects, such as provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, they will get rewards. It is known as yield farming. Binance introduces Launch Pool, an option to allow users to farm new assets, and users will be able to acquire new token rewards in return for staking BNB, BUSD, and other tokens. Launch Pool products allow users to withdraw their deposited assets at any time, and the reward is updated every hour. Asset management. This section includes the following: BSwap and dual savings. BSwap or Binance Liquid Swap is based on the principle of liquidity pool. It combines the advantages of centralized and decentralized finance service, allowing users to obtain high annual returns by providing liquidity to the liquidity pool on the Binance platform. Users can also swap the corresponding cryptocurrency in the liquidity pool and enjoy the benefits of low slippage and low handling fees. You can remove assets at any time, but you need to pay a handling fee if you choose a single asset in the pool. Dual savings allow users to subscribe to the product with one asset, such as BTC. When the product expires, the user may settle with one asset of the two options, such as BTC or BUSD. Dual savings is a type of financial product that offers non-guaranteed floating earnings, allowing users to obtain the highest possible earnings while satisfying their digital asset risk management needs. On the expiry date, the final settlement currency is determined based on the comparison between the settlement price and the strike price to ensure one of the two assets and obtain benefits. However, please note that your order cannot be redeemed in advance once the subscription is successful. BNB Vault. Binance newly introduces BNB Vault, one-click earning for your BNB holdings. BNB Vault is a capital guaranteed investment product with an easy-to-use interface. It can help users maximize the income potential of your BNB from both centralized and decentralized finance in just one step by integrating various Binance products and the Binance ecosystem. Also, it allows BNB hodlers to maximize the yields and get all the benefits from every opportunity available. Click the banner under the Binance Earn page and you're there. Get started on Binance Earn today and earn crypto while you sleep.